Hey folks, welcome back to DIYNAT. Got an unboxing for you here. I just bought this folding jab saw from Milwaukee. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Cut myself on the adult-proof package, so I'm happy about that. So basically what this does is it takes a Sawzall blade, and there's a button on here so that you can fold it back so it's nice and compact in your toolbox. And if you want to change the blade, there's a little lever on the back here that releases the blade and put something else in. So, for example, let's see what we got here. Put this one in there. You just slide it in all the way, let go of the button, and it attaches to it. So, what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to, as long as I carry a couple extra blades, different sizes, different portions of the teeth, I can put this in my EDC bag, and won't have to carry the mini hacksaw, the actual hacksaw, which is in the truck. I didn't bring it in because it's snowing out. This folding Japanese saw, and the drywall saw for cutting out the outlets. So as long as you have the proper blades, Sawzall blades to do those jobs, you only need the one tool. So a little bit less bulk in the tool bag, a little bit less weight. I carry the Sawzall blades around with me anyway in one of my auxiliary bags. So this is a much better setup. So, and it's got a nice handle on it, and as I said, it folds up. So you're also not stabbing yourself with the blade as you reach into the bag to get other tools. So that should work out pretty good. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing as always, and we'll see you next time.